Welcome to 1407 Old Manor Road. This is a 2-bedroom, 1 full bath condo in the Briargate condo community in Northwest Columbia off of Broad River Road. We're in the hallway outside of the unit now. It's on the 2nd floor. Access to the parking lot is to your left that way. It's shared parking, and there's access to some shared green space on that side to the right. You can see that from the balcony inside the unit as well. So once inside, you have laminate hardwood flooring in the main living space, continues down the hallway as well. So you have a nice sized living room here on the right side as you enter, and there's a balcony out overlooking overlooking some shared green space out there. I'm not sure you can quite see. There's a park bench over there, and also some outside grills and kind of a picnic area. Back inside, you do have a dining room off of the living area. You have chair rail molding along 2 walls of that. Updated light fixture in there. And it's open to the kitchen, which is a galley-style kitchen. You have an included dishwasher, electric stove, and refrigerator. And those are in black. And then on down the hall to our right here first, there is, you can get the door open, there is a coat closet. And that's just a utility closet on the left side here. The 1 full bathroom is off to the left of the hall. You have a medicine cabinet above, large countertop with a single vanity in here. And then you have a shower and tub as well. And then right across the hall, you have 1 of 2 bedrooms, which is a pretty decent size. You have a standard size closet there behind some sliding doors. It's the second of those doors that closes off. And then last but not least, if you had to call one room the master, it would be this one. It is larger than the first one, has 2 windows sort of on the corner there, and also does have a walk-in closet as well as a washer and dryer, laundry connections for a washer and dryer inside as well. I know the 1-bedroom units in this community typically don't have any laundry connections. They have to use the shared ones in the building. So that is a nice feature. I'm not sure if you can fit a full-size unit there, but it may work for a stackable or some smaller machines. But you also do have plenty of closet hanging space in there as well. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, 1407 Old Manor Road. You can find out more information by visiting us online at turnerproperties.com.